Are you guys ready for release day? April 1st is right around the corner. We have some awesome products coming out. I'm so excited to share the remaining reveal for the box of the month. April's box of the month is called From Scratch. It's a nice baking theme box. There will be boxes available, so if you've been waiting to get on our box of the month subscription, April 1st is the perfect time. Release starts at 9 a.m. Central Time. I have an email list down below if you want to get on my email list. I will email you at 9 a.m. to remind you that the releases are live. We're gonna make a cute card today using these products. This paper pad and ephemera pack will be available for individual sale. The stamp is exclusive to the box. This is called Baking Memories. So we've got the paper pad and the matching ephemera pack. And then the stamp set is super cute. This is called Recipes from the Heart. I absolutely love this. So I'm gonna use this one, Recipe for a Friendship. I'm gonna use probably the two girls baking. And then probably these sheets here because I have a pink card base and I believe that's going to match really nicely. So it says Recipes for a Friendship, 2 cups of respect, 3 cans of listening, big scoop of laughter, 2 cups of support, pinch of caring, 1 cup of good time, mix well and enjoy. So they're all like this, but a little bit different. We've got Recipe for a Special Dad. So you can see this one's different. 1 can of protection, 1 heart full of love, 1 barrel of patience, 4 handfuls of generosity, big scoop of courage, 3 cans of jokes, mix well and enjoy. So there's Recipe for a Happy Marriage, Recipe for a Happy Home, Recipe for a Special Godmother, Recipe for a Special Sister. And I was thinking on this one, you can mask out the God and just have Special Mother for this one. And then we have a Made with Love. So absolutely love that. So let's dig into this paper pad. And if you guys haven't registered yet for our free virtual retreat, it's coming up in May, but the registration is now open. I have the link in the description box for you. We have some early bird specials if you register. So this is a really cute sheet. I love the little sprinkles in the background, little splatters, and then the little pink cake. And then we've got some nice little polka dots. And then I love this with the little splatters on top. And then the mixer, chocolate cupcake. And then on the back, ooh, that looks so yummy. And then a green one. And then some cookware. And then we've got some yummy cupcakes. So I can use this one. I think I'm going to use this one. I'm going to take this sheet out. And then we've got a cute little sheet here. Baking breads. And then we've got some sourdough bread. For all you sourdough lovers. Okay, so I'm going to use this. I want to use the two girls. That's going to go with the Recipe for a Friendship. That would go nicely with the Special Sister or Godmother, or whatever you want to make it, or a Happy Home. It all goes so nicely. And I'm going to spread these out. This is cute. This is like a little vintage timer. Okay, so there's all the cute ephemera. For my little square, I cut this at 2 by 2 1/4. I think that size fits pretty well for our sentiment. I need to buy a new VersaFine Clear. This one is getting really dry. I forgot to see if I have a refill in my stash. And if you have like an apron die in your stash, I think this would be so cute stamped right on your apron die. I actually had one in the works right before the die manufacturer shut down. It was going to be the die for the stamp set. It was a cute little apron. So sad that didn't happen. I'm going to mat this with the same color cardstock as my card base. This is cut just 1/4 inch larger. That way we have a little frame. And let's go ahead and put this together, and then we'll create a little scene. I like this ombre. So I used the leftover piece from when I cut this panel for an accent. So many fun, exciting things happening in the shop. If you missed our Rugged Outdoors bundle, I restocked it. So I have another pre-order going for that. So once that batch is sold out, that will be gone for good. Such a fun set if you need masculine cards, or if you have trouble making masculine cards. The whole card making kit just, it's perfect. It includes everything you need to create masculine cards with ease. Let me know what your favorite product is that we have released, because we've been like on the go lately. We came out with the pet tape. Love that. And then this month, the Paper Pad Club subscription includes 2 paper pads that match 2 of the pet tapes. So if you had grabbed the pet tapes, you might want to grab our Paper Pad Club this month for those matching papers. Also a matching ephemera pack. So super fun. Stretch your supplies by mixing and matching there. Okay, and then I'm going to add this. I got those fun cupcakes at the top. Let's see, I might want to do a peel off strip dividing these two. I have pink. That's the perfect color, pink. Should I do this top part as well? Might as well, this fits perfect. Okay, so we got our base. This is going to be so cute. This would be cute even without any images. Look at that. How cute is that? But I want to add these girls so it looks like they're best friends. And I have this oven. I don't know if I'm going to use that in the background. I think it's going to be too much. So we'll just do the 2 girls and kind of find a way to add this without covering up our sentiment. So maybe something like that. Let's see. Ooh, I like that maybe. How about that? That's cute. Kind of just center this. Yeah, tuck it under. Right? I like that. All right, so let's glue the girls down. Sometimes you just gotta play around with your layout and find what works. So we'll put that towards the top in the center. And then have this, let's pop this part up and have that right in the center. Okay, I went foam tape crazy, like I do. Okay, now I want to center this. Okay, that looks good. Let's see if I want to cut that guy out. Oh, I think that's cute. Add him to the bottom. I'll pop him up. I love that cute little timer. How cute is that? All right, let's grab some enamel dots. From the Colors of Spring enamel dots, I think this pink is perfect. I'll put 2 little dots on the side. I think that would look cute. There we go. Okay, so here's today's card. I just love that. So cute, guys. So I hope you guys meet me tomorrow. I'm going to be doing a live release day party at 10 a.m. Central Time. The release goes live at 9 a.m. If you are on our subscription and you want to go shopping on the 1st, and you need your coupon code early, just email me and I will get that sent out to you guys. Please check your spam. So let me know down below, what is your new favorite product from the shop? I'd love to hear your feedback, guys, and take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.